All right. So, did you know that you can basically source items? Pretty much finding items that you desire to sell, right? So, you can find an item like this or of some sorts and get the price. The price of this item could be $10 and it could be free shipping. So let's say, for instance, you purchase this item for $10 with free shipping. You get the item to basically come to you so that you can check the item out, right? So then what you would do is, of course, you will resell this item. You will post this item, of course, either on your social media, your website, or however that you basically see fit. So the item costs you $10. You can sell this item for, let's say, $20 or $25. So basically, with that being said, that will really give you a profit of $15. So then, because you done sold the item for 25, they give you a profit of 15. So now you will have to go again and purchase this item again for the $10 in free shipping, whatever it may cost you, and resell it again. That's it.